Hello and welcome. My name is Clara here from Guided Bloom, and today I will guide you on a tapping round to help you to feel less stressed, overwhelmed, bring you back into your heart. When we are leading from the heart, we tend to feel more calm and centered and definitely less stressed. If you haven't done tapping before, it's pretty easy. Just follow along, copy what I do, and repeat after me. Before we start, I would like to take a deep breath in and out. And I'd like you to just tune into where you are feeling this stress and overwhelm in your body. Perhaps it has a color or a texture. And if not, that's okay too. And now I'd like you to rate it out of 10, how strongly you are feeling this right now. 10 being the strongest. And just keep that number in mind as we will rate it again at the end to see how things have shifted for you. We will start on the side of the hand, repeating after me. Even though I have this stress in my body, it's okay that I feel this way. And even though I have this overwhelm present, I still love and accept myself. And even though I'm feeling a little stressed, overwhelmed, and worried, I accept the way I feel right now. All this stress, all this overwhelm, all this worry. It's so exhausting. I'm wasting so much of my precious energy. I wish I could just let some of it go. All the stress I'm feeling in my body. It's the color, it's the texture, all the stress and overwhelm I'm experiencing right now. For whatever reason, I'm feeling all of this. I'm open to letting some of it go today. All this stress in my body, all this overwhelm in my body. It's the color, it's the texture. It feels like this in my body. It's okay that this is present for me right now, but I'm open to letting it go today. Or I'm open to even letting go a little bit of it today. I think I will feel better if I let some of it go. So I'm open to letting it go today. I'm in a safe space here and now to let it go. And it's possible for me to let it go. It's safe for me to let these feelings go, even just a little bit. So I'm working on letting it go right now. It's possible for me to let this go. So I'm breathing in and letting it go. All these feelings in my body. Even if I don't understand why they've come up for me right now, that's okay. I can still let some of it go. It's possible for me to let it go and it's safe for me to let it go. Imagine how much lighter I would feel if I let it go. Imagine how much more calm I could feel if I let it go. And I know it's a lot healthier for me and my body if I let the stress go. I acknowledge what it's trying to communicate with me. And I thank it for the message it has given me. I take it on board, but I also am ready to let it go. It's safe for me to let these feelings go. And what if I could come back into my heart instead? How could I feel? How good would it feel to be in my heart, where there is lots of love and light? I feel calm and centered. And I'm ready to take on my day. It feels so good to be in my heart. So I'm allowing myself to be there right now. I'm breathing it in. And I'm enjoying being in my heart. It even has some positive messages to share with me right now. And I'm so grateful that I've come to my heart and I'm able to receive that. I am living in my heart today. Good job. And just tapping on the top of your hand here, breathing in deeply and letting it all go. That's it. And you can stop tapping and just noticing how you're feeling after this tapping session. And just rating out of 10 how you feel now. Perhaps the number has come down. Maybe it hasn't. And either way is okay. You can always come back to this video and you can keep tapping to bring that number down further and further. I hope this helped you today. Lots of love.